Good morning, it's start of day 3. Today we've got can take a bit of a ride out into Belgium, try and find some good roads. At the moment the weather's sunny, as you can see. Just going to get the bikes unlocked, lube the chains, and then go and have some breakfast, and there we go. Right then, to the start of day 3. All packed up for a day's riding. Just got some waterproofs with us because it's okay now, but it looks a bit cloudy. It's forecast to rain this evening, so not sure what time we'll be back. Can we find a garage where I can pay cash? I don't mind, but I've got cash, so I've got about the same. The only thing I would say about the hotel actually is that it's a bit out of town. So last night we walked down here and we've been fucking about yesterday evening. We didn't get back until about, I'd guess about 7 from yesterday's riding. So by the time we came out for something to eat it was like 9 o'clock. And didn't want to risk walking into town to find nowhere was open, so we just ate a Chinese just down here on the left. It was alright actually, no English menu, so it was a bit of a, we were hoping to order by pictures, but there were no pictures either, so in some sort of broken translated English between the two of us, I managed to get something which was half decent actually. This is the only thing about having a tank bag. Filling up for fuel is a pain in the arse. Insert card. Right, well I can fill up with €128 worth of petrol here. I pulled up there and I thought, oh, I can't be arsed. I'll just pay on my card.
It make any difference, you're over there. A load of bollocks. What's that? Absolute bollocks.
All of that faff for €7 5 litres? Are you taking the piss?
Good job. You said to me I want to pay cash.
I know.
I'd have stopped at the first one, you knobber. Now we've got to turn round. Go back up to the island.
Past the garage we could have gone to. All of that for 5 litres? I'm absolutely cooking here. I got a jumper on.
This is me all day, I'm doing this all day.
Check these guys out. Yes. Awesome. How many of them? That's unbelievable. And all sorts of machinery as well. Why are they flashing now? I want to know. Is that because there's so many of these? Yes, boys. Quality. Oh, what a house, hotel. What a place that is. It's a bloody house. Check it out on the left. Holy cow, Batman. I really just don't know what's round the next corner. Ah, this is where we came from yesterday. Recognise it? This is a great road. I could ride this road all day long. Not get bored. So this is Bohan, beautiful little town. Actually, it wouldn't be a bad place to stop. Small town, going out with a few beers. Maybe this is for next time. Stop in Bohan. Kayaking, if you're so inclined. Oh, picture! We make photo?
No.
No.
You know down in that corner?
No.
It looks awfully close.
Did I?
It looks in the middle. I thought he's fucking dragged his nose round that corner.
No.
I mean, how different was that road? That little bit there.
Oh, it's amazing.
Inspires confidence.
Do you remember we came down that? And I actually said.
Chuffing, you're thinking, is there a big rut on the?
Yeah. I said.
Are you hungry yet?
No, I'm not.
I was left you almost ate that entire buffet on your own. You said the one old boy had about 6 of them chocolate croissants. I reckon he's got a budget at home or something. Go on, we'll set one for the budget. No, go on, we can't miss the cafe.
We're just on our way to Givet. Givet, 20k. I think it's a bit more of a faster flowing road than some of the roads we've just been riding, which are great. They're twisty, but they're very technical, and if the surface isn't great, well, something like this I think is a bit more open.
Summary of day 3 is we had
A good ride.
2 pints of quack.
No, we had a good ride, to be fair.
No, it was, yeah.
A good ride out. Some good roads.
Wet coming home. Again.
Absolutely soaked coming home. Other than that, it was alright, wasn't it?
Fantastic, yeah. Almost dropped the bike again.
Yeah.
On the other side. Took the wrong junction off the motorway.
Yeah.
And rejoined after my mate abandoned me.
Well.
Having gone up a gravelly burn. On the brakes.
Yeah. What's he doing? What's he doing? No, don't brake, don't brake. Oh, I'm not going to stop, I'm just carrying on.
I'm not even looking in the mirror, so I don't care what he's done. That's the impression I got anyway from my end. But
by the way, he does wear clothes, he doesn't just do these summary videos.
I just lie here. I don't go out anywhere on the bike, I just lie here waiting to be video. Been beaten 3-0 in Paul, but we're not going to talk about that.
No, we won't talk about that.
We've been to a super pub that really should be Moseley, the name in France.
Yeah. Actually 2.
Yeah,
the first one was good.
It was, yeah.
A couple of pints of quack in there.
Some quack.
Quack beer.
Pints of quack.
We've got a picture of it. And yeah, then for some scran, I had Malls of frites.
Which you didn't eat all of.
No, I didn't eat all off. I got bored.
Frankly, I got
bored.
I got bored.
You have your back wax, you need to get that underarm hair sorted out.
I quite like it.
The
spider.
It's absolutely outrageous.
Do you remember that?